Hi, my name's Link from Gardening Express, and today we're going to be talking about olive trees. Olive trees are an evergreen Mediterranean native, popular in UK gardens for their silvery green leaves and architectural appeal. They bring a touch of Mediterranean to patios, terraces and gardens. While they're known for their fruit in warmer climates, they're just as loved here for their ornamental appeal. Olives are slow-growing trees and can thrive in pots or directly in the ground. They prefer a sunny, sheltered position, ideally against a south-facing wall. The more sun they get, the happier they'll be. When it comes to care, olive trees are surprisingly low maintenance. Keep them well watered while they establish, especially in the first year. After that, they're drought tolerant, though container-grown trees may still need regular watering during the dry periods. Feeding with a balanced liquid fertiliser in spring and summer will help encourage healthy growth, and a light prune in late spring and early summer can help shape the tree and remove any dead or damaged branches. That's all from us today. If you'd like to learn more about Mediterranean plants, don't forget to check out our Knowledge Hub. It's full of really helpful tips and tricks on how to keep your garden looking great. If you've liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment down below what you'd like to see next.